Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make chart in Google Sheets. So here I have a sample data and I want to make chart with it. And to do that, you can just block these cells or the data that you have, and after that, just click on Insert, and you'll find the chart option. Click on that. Okay, so it's not working, and here is the chart will be automatically created this inside the sheets right here. And you can also customize the chart. You can also change the chart style, or you can also change the type of the chart. So the default is column chart, but you can always change it to line, area chart, to column and bar, pie chart, scatter, map, or other type of charts. So I'm going to just leave it as it is for the chart type. And you can also customize like the border color to red, for example. The background color, you can also change it, for example, to black like this, or to like yellowish like this. And you can also make it 3D like this. And there are also other settings that you can change the each of the columns right here, or the bar. And you can also change the name of the chart like this. You can just change it in here, for example, chart tutorial. Okay, so I think that's it. That is how you can make chart in Google Sheet. It's so simple. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.